Okay, so this is the finished vegetable garden. Here's Sniffany. So we ran out of fencing. This is 50 feet of the 6-foot fencing, and we put these little plastic sheeting right here. Had to reinforce the back of the gate with some leftover plastic sheeting to keep her out. Here, come on, let's give a tour. Gotta read it every once in a while. And I'm doing some vertical, oh gosh, oh no, oh, that's not good. Oh no, it's stuck. This is some vertical pumpkin growing that I'm experimenting with this year. And I've got a weed in there too, but here's some more pumpkins. Here's one of my little dollar store wind chimes. Then here's a little path. I need to weed it. This was growing, but the dog, unfortunately, one of the dogs chewed it up the other day and killed it. Here is a pumpkin. Hi. Here's a pumpkin that's growing. I just come by every couple days and just adjust this to grow. And yeah. Okay, now for the inside, we gotta weed this, huh? There's Daphne. Hi, Daphne. So, this is made of PVC pipes, and then this is construction material, but in green, like construction fencing. And then I just got this chain from Home Depot, and I think this little hook too. Love the garden. Okay, here are my carrots. They're quite overgrown. Or not overgrown, but I planted them too closely. Some tomatoes. And then my green beans all died within a month or two of planting. They were overcome by weeds, so I pulled out all the weeds, but yeah, I killed them. And my strawberries, she loves to eat them. And then these are two different types of zucchini plants. These are, I just planted two right here. Tomatoes. See, they're trying to ripen. Another zucchini plant. Haven't gotten anything from there. I planted some marigold flowers just as an experiment in some of these. There's the dead pumpkin vine. This I found in the backyard when I was excavating a couple years ago. And then here's some random little pots that I have. This one is a pumpkin. More marigolds. And then this is a dwarf blackberry plant that I bought. And this is my pride and joy, the zucchinis. And my husband designed these. These were pretty much all, yeah, these were all bricks and stepping stones that were left over from previous projects or that the previous owners had left here. And then, okay, so this one, oh, we got some leaves there. I just check on the zucchini every couple days. They grow so fast, so oh, I think this one's about ready. Oops, I always ruin that, but this will be my contribute to my lunch I'll make for the week. And then there's another one coming in. Let's see. That'll be probably ready in a couple days. Right there. So that'll be probably ready in 2 to 3 days, maybe shorter. And yeah, oh, there's another little dollar store thing. But yeah, this is the finished garden. I love it. Cedar boxes are still holding up from last year. Cedar doesn't rot, so yeah, that's good. All right, come on, girls. Yeah, I made a conscious, like I was more purposeful about what I planted this year. Like only planted what I wanted, which is zucchinis, some berries. Unfortunately, the green beans didn't work out again this year. But yeah, the tomatoes, we had one come in and the dogs stole it. And then yeah, the carrots are pretty good. I've eaten a few, but they're still pretty skinny. They've got to fill out. So anyway, but that's everything. So glad the garden is finally finished. And yeah, thank you for watching.